So again, what do we mean by the standard algorithm in subtraction? Do you remember? What's the standard algorithm mean? It's the
It's the
normal way or the usual way of what? Solving
word problems.
not just word problem, but also the normal way of, the process of doing the subtraction. Okay, that is the standard algorithm. So let's go. Remember, we don't just borrow one from the next number, but actually we borrowed what?
You borrow
10. Okay, so
the colors you use kind of reminds me of something.
what?
My shirt.
Ah, yeah, John Seal. Okay, nice.
I have to go use the bathroom.
All right. Okay. Yes, that's it. So we do the standard algorithm. When you do that, you have to line up the numbers. Okay, you do it like this one. You line them up. You line them up. Okay. So for example, in addition, you go with all the numbers in ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. Okay. So it depends on the place value. So when you learn the place value, you apply it here. Okay? Understand? That's your standard algorithm. Okay? So it's column by column. All right? So you subtract, you multiply, you add, right? So it depends on the place value. You organize. Understand that? So again, we have your 6 minus 9. So what do
you call chicks in Filipino?
what is that?
What do you call chicks in Filipino?
Like chicks, the chicken, the baby chicken.
Yeah, what do you call
We call it sisiyo.
Sisiyo?
Yes, the sisiyo. Kamusta na ang mga sisiyo mo dyan?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang po. Oh, very good. Again, we have here, since 6 minus 9, are we allowed to subtract that?
6 minus 9?
Mm-hmm. No, because
the number on the top is smaller.
yes, your minuend is smaller and you're not.
The only thing that you can only do is to not like, I don't know how to say it, but it's like you like.
You can make it bigger.
Yeah.
It's 2.
It's still it's still like 2. Like when there's a number at the bottom, it's a random number, and then the number on the top is smaller or bigger. The bigger number you only just go it normal. You go with the smaller numbers. You like for on the other numbers
you borrow. You call it borrowing. Okay, we call it borrowing. You borrow a number from the number on the left. Okay. So we don't really borrow 1, but actually we borrow 10, right? So 6 minus 9, we're not allowed to do that. And then what shall we do then? If this is 6 and this is 9, so how can we subtract that? We borrow?
You borrow
1 from?
1 from 3.
Yeah, so your 3 will become? 2. And your 6 will become? 16. So 16 minus 9.
You don't actually borrow 1. We actually borrow 2.
Exactly. That's it. Okay? We actually did not borrow 1, but we borrowed 10. So that's 16. 16 minus 9 is? You count up.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is it 7?
Yes. Okay. So what shall we do with 2 here? Because we borrowed 1 from 3, then this one becomes 2. So this is we what?
You
Bring it down. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Okay. Last number here. So we have the last number. We have there 371,089 minus 25,192. So again, why do you think your teacher gave you almost the same numbers? You keep repeating the same numbers like 9 minus 2, 8 minus 8 minus 9. So 8 minus 4. Why? Why? It's because
so that way when you see it again, you can remember it.
exactly, okay? Because that's the reason you have to practice. You keep practicing, and these numbers or these operations it's just gonna be easy for you. So practice is needed. You keep doing the same thing. So the next thing you know, you already know the answers to 9 minus 2. And there you go, 9 minus 2 again. What's your answer there?
7.
Yes, that's 7. And 8 minus 9, one more time. You see the same number. 8 minus 9.
That is 1.
See, you don't remember that. You cannot subtract again because it's 8 minus 9.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and we did that twice already. Look. Activity A, question B the same. 8 minus 9. So that's why you have to keep practicing. You'll be familiar with it, right? So that only means it requires a lot of practice, okay? So 8 minus 9, can we subtract? No. Okay, what's the answer then? How do we do this?
So
Can you borrow from the next number?
of course not.
That's 0. So where do you think we can borrow from? Of course, you have to borrow. You have to move to the next number here. Okay? So we borrow 1 from...
1.
Yeah, we borrow 1 here. Or 10, right?
So 0 will become 10?
Yes, this will become 10 at first. We have to make it 10. And this here will become 0. Okay? So let's make this 10 here. So, but this 8 here needs help. Right? We have to make it bigger. So we have to borrow 1 from the 10 here. So this 10 here, instead of making it 10, it will become 9. Okay? Because we have to borrow 1 and we'll give it to 8. So that 8 will become... It will become what?
18.
18. So we subtract now. 18 minus 9, that is 9. Remember that. Here, it was supposedly 10, right? But we gave 1 to 8. So this 10 here becomes 9. So 9 minus 1 will become... 9 minus 1. 8. Okay. So that's 8. And look, the number here that is 1 becomes 0. So can we still subtract 0 and 5? Can we? No, we can't.
Of course not.
Yes. So we borrow 1 from 7. 7 will become 6. And your 0 here will become 10. So 10 minus 5, that's 5. 6 minus 2, that's 4. And we bring down 3. That's 345,897. Okay.